Hi, this is Anupam from FMRE Real Estate, and I'm super excited to roll out a new build service for the investors to take advantage of the new proposed changes. Would you build $1 million property portfolio without a plan? Or would you just go and buy any property out there and start building? Most investors are either buying the wrong property in the wrong location and at the wrong time and building new properties that is not really growing, or they're simply overwhelmed with thousands of options available to them and really don't know where to start. The truth is, in 2026 and beyond, successful property investing isn't about buying more properties. It's about buying the right properties with the right strategy. You would imagine that even in the new build, there are so many strategies that you can actually implement to get money going for you from day one. Many investors want the benefits of brand new properties. They want depreciation benefits, they want strong rental demand, they obviously want growth, they want cash flow, but what they don't know is which state offers the best opportunities today. Where should we buy that land that's going to give me that outcome that I'm looking for in the next 5 to 7 years? Which strategy actually is going to work for my goals? Which builder should I actually trust? How do I manage the construction project from start to finish? And one wrong decision can cost you thousands of dollars. That's why we've created the FMRE New Build solution for you, a complete end-to-end service designed to take the guesswork out of the property investing. We start with a tailored consultation to understand your financial position, your borrowing capacity, your wealth creation goals, your risk profile, and your desired timeline. We then assess the strategy that best suits your circumstances. Whether your focus is for long-term capital growth, positive cash flow, tax-effective investing, or building a scalable portfolio, or a combination of all four, the strategy is super critical to the success of this new build. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get the returns you're looking for. Look, you cannot buy 4 brand new properties because you will run out of borrowing. So you actually need a tailored strategy. Should you buy land, build, sell, or buy existing properties, subdivide, build, or knock down and rebuild duplexes for cash flow and tax benefits? There are so many options just within the new build. And this is why our team researches the right opportunities after assessing your situation across multiple states to identify locations with strong fundamentals, population growth, infrastructure investment, and long-term demand drivers. Once the strategy is confirmed, we help secure the right block of land in the right market for you. Not just what's available, what's appropriate for your goals. We then work with our qualified, licensed, and carefully vetted builders that meet our strict standards for quality, communication, and delivery that will be powered by our channel partners. Unlike many property providers who disappear once a contract is signed, our role continues throughout the entire journey with you. From strategy to site selection to builder engagement to construction updates, throughout till the point we hand over. A process that typically takes between 8 to 14 months. Not only that, you might also get help with putting a tenant in the property too, assigning the right property manager who can manage that if you're going to hold the property. So you need experienced professionals supporting you every way right now because the property markets are changing. The investors who succeed in 2026 and beyond will be those who adapt, plan strategically, and make informed decisions. For a minimal fee, the FMRE New Build solution gives you access to a complete property investment and your peace of mind with expert guidance and ongoing support throughout the entire build process, right from strategy to handover. If you're ready to build wealth through property with confidence, book your FMRE New Build strategy consultation today, and I'll see you on the other side. This is Anupam from FMRE Real Estate.